This video is for One Mom's Battle and Tina. If you're in the family court advocacy arena, you've probably heard of One Mom's Battle. I'm the small guy. I'm just in Texas. But One Mom's Battle, it's all over the country. They even have a Texas chapter. But Tina is One Mom's Battle. And Tina has said some things about me in the past and currently. And I'd like to go over them. Now, Tina has 100,000 followers on Facebook. And from the things that I've heard, because I've never met Tina. We didn't go to school together. We've never talked on the phone. We've never chatted. We've never even messaged each other. But I have offered Tina to come on Facebook Live or any social media platform she would like, so we can talk about the things that she knows about me. So let's just get into a little bit of who Tina is. So I got my iPad and I started looking up onemomsbattle.com, envisioning a family court system that prioritizes child safety. If you are navigating a divorce, custody battle with a narcissist or high conflict co-parent, I know the exhaustion, the fear, the heartbreak. You are not alone. Welcome to One Mom's Battle. You go back and you look at the advocacies, you look at online courses, divorce coaching, books, advocacy, blah, blah, blah. So basically, she sells her advocacy. Basically, she's a divorce coach. She's going to coach you through the system. That's all I know of Tina. Everything I just read you, that's it. And I didn't even read all of it. But that's all I care to know. I'm in Texas. My family court case is here in Texas. She's in California. Apparently she hears things. But I want to go over this comment because it was this comment would truly made me believe that One Mom's Battle isn't about keeping the child safe. A lot of people have told me that One Mom's Battle is geared towards women and mothers, and they want to keep the child safe from fathers. And I'm just telling you what I've been told. People say it all the time. So let me just tell you what she said, and then let you decide whether this is somebody credible you want to take information from. She's trying to sell you her books. My advocacy is free. I'm still in the trenches of Harris County trying to be a parent to my child, and I am exposing judicial misconduct. But let's just dive into one of her comments on a recent video that was posted by an investigative journalist, Wayne Del Trofino. To clarify, you claim the accusations against you were unfounded, yet you have a protective order against you, and Judge Peak deemed you a danger and unfit to be around your nonverbal child. Multiple individuals, your two exes, your daughter, your young son have come forward with allegations of domestic violence, and Judge Peak believes them. That is why you're unable to see your son without supervised visitation. If these accusations were truly false, why have you refused to register with the Domestic Relations Office in Houston to maintain your supervised visitations? If your priority it was your child, wouldn't you take every step necessary to see him? And I want you to concentrate on that, because that's a classic domestic violence phrase. Wouldn't you take every step necessary to see your child? So basically, we're going to force you to submit to supervised visitations. See, the long story is my ex lied. She committed aggravated perjury. I called it out, and that's for another video. But let's get back to all of these claims. I don't know Tina. I don't know One Mom's Battle, but obviously she knows about me. I have two exes. I do. I have a daughter and I have a young son. Have come forward with allegations of domestic violence. My young son is nonverbal. And I do have an older son, which she failed to mention. But neither that or there. It doesn't matter, because that's not really what I'm talking about. What I'm talking about is she says that Judge Peak has found me to be a danger to my child, and that she rendered a protective order. And that's kind of where I want to go with this story. You see, she's a divorce coach. She's going to teach people how to litigate. She has books. She has resources. She has things she wants to sell you. She might have the child's best interest at stake, but she has done a fairly good job at targeting me. I just want to exhibit to social media what kind of person Tina is. We don't know each other, but she's saying some pretty damning things about me. She has over 100,000 followers. So let's dig in. So my first stop brings us here to the Harris County District Clerk's office, where Tina is more than able to just Google it and sign in and look for my documents. But she didn't do that. She would just rather write things on social media posts that she knows is untrue. See, Tina, if you did your research, you would see 121/2021. You'll see some interim orders for possession and access, and it was filed with the court. As you can see, here's the envelope number and the file stamp on the top right corner. If you go to the very bottom, you'll see that it was signed by Judge Peak, and I'll have Elsie Martin Simon, who was my attorney, and her attorney, Kelly Joseph. And if you go to the very first page, it says, it is ordered that this order for possession and access supersedes cause number 2020-26578, a protective order. So Judge Peak didn't restrict my possession and access with my nonverbal child, right? The nonverbal child that you said had made claims of domestic violence. No, sorry. And if you keep looking, you'll see that May 24th, 2021, additional interim orders for possession and access out of the 257th Court of Harris County. And who do you think that judge was, Tina? Oh, Judge Peak. Here it is again. Oh, look. And there's two attorney signatures. Now, let's see what it says, right? Based on counsel for both parties stipulating that an agreement had been reached, which was then recited into the record. It is ordered that this order for possession and access supersedes cause number 2020-26578, the protective order. Judge Peak, again, didn't issue any protective order. So you were wrong again. I'm waiting for you to state facts about me. You're in California, I'm in Texas. You've never been to any of my judicial proceedings, but yet you seem to know everything about me. But can't even get that right. I don't know, Tina. You want to sell your books for narcissists? Go ahead. You want to be an advocate for child safety? Cool. If you want to write shit about me, cool too. I'm just here to call you out on your bullshit. I don't know if you like dads or not, and I don't even really care. I don't even care about your advocacy. All I'm doing is making this video in a response to the bullshit you wrote about me when you don't factually even know anything about me. So with that being said, Tina, if you want to discuss this, I will open up my platform, and I can already tell on social media, you've already declined to talk about this. I politely declined the invitation. For some reason, there is a quote that comes to mind. Never wrestle with pigs. You both get dirty and the pigs like it. So I guess she's calling me a pig. I have 13 years worth of content online, so feel free to pour. I don't want your books, Tina. You already showed me you can't. You're not reliable. You're not a credible source. Good luck in your endeavors. I'll continue doing what I need to do here. If you keep making statements, we might have to do something about it. Good luck.